Jim here in Ashland. Today we're checking out the Alice in Wonderland Trail 2023 Reroute. This new half-mile section of trail is for pedestrians only, designed to separate the hiker-biker traffic there on Alice in Wonderland Trail. It's a moderate slope and it connects over to the Griffin Trail. So how do we get here? From the 5 freeway, let's get off at exit 14 and head on Ashland Street into the city of Ashland. And you'll turn right at the university on the Siskiyou Boulevard. And before you get into the actual downtown area, you're going to turn left on Gresham, the library. Well, the library's up ahead here. And you'll head up the hill and turn right on Holly and then left on Terrace. That's Holly right there. Dead end into Terrace right there. We'll take that to the top of Terrace. We'll turn left on the Ashland Loop Road there at that water reservoir to the right. And then you can hit the top of Morton here where you turn right. And then, there's the dirt Ashland Road we all love. Ashland Loop Road. Take that past the new mountain bike trail. What's that? What? Till you get to the parking at the top. You'll begin along the old Alice in Wonderland Trail like you always did or do. There are a few homemade versions of trail off to the right and left if you want to avoid some mountain bikes. Unofficial, you rebel, take it. At the top of the hill, there's a little split. You're going to go left. However, speaking of mountain bikes.
Oh, hello, how are you?
Good, how you doing?
Good, riding with your Pepsi.
Is that what it's called, the Pepsi?
Yeah.
Yeah, where does it end up?
It crosses the road right
here
and then goes down and ends up kind of up above Walker, kind of the TID area there.
Right. Does it connect with all those other trails
that are kind of above
there?
Yeah.
The Pepsi though, eh?
Yep, the Pepsi.
Excellent. Maybe one day I'll get my skills up.
It's fun, you got it.
Okay.
Take care.
Have a great one, man. And here you go. Another way to avoid Old Alice is a cross right here. And quickly you are coming along to visit New Alice. There she is to the left. Here we go. Pedestrians only from here on. Man, when the new signs come in, you're going to love it. I'm sure they're going to be awesome. The next half mile is a smooth downhill into the official reroute of the Alice in Wonderland Trail. And the next thing you know, you're at Griffin. There you go. It's the new 2023 Alice in Wonderland Trail Reroute. It's not completely a new trail, but it's a half of Alice in Wonderland has been rerouted here to the Griffin Trail, which, if you know it, it goes up that way and connects with the Bandersnatch Trail. And if you go back down that way, you will hit the Red Queen Trail. So this is a great way to solve some biker-hiker interaction up there. Plus, you get to avoid all those giant gullies. Mountain bikers, good luck to you. You still get them. But come on, check it out. I think this is a great thing that AWTA has done. And
kudos to them. Enjoy this and support your local trail makers over there at AWTA. This has been Jim from AshenTrails.com saying stay safe, spread out.